Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can directly connect your Kickstarter project, your account, to your Reddit page or profile. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device or hop onto the desktop browser for Reddit and open up Reddit. Now, as you can see right here, we're going to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Now, as you can see here, we have a load of options to choose from. We're going to the profile section. It's the first option. So open up the profile, and right here you see a load of options. Now, here you see the Instagram and the Patreon link. Now we're going to add a social link right below that, and here you see also a load of options to choose from. Now in the right corner of your screen you see Kickstarter right below Discord, so simply press this button, and here you can choose a display text on what people will see when they see the link to click. Now here you can name the project or the page they're going through, and here you need to select the URL that they are entering, so that it will directly link to Kickstarter. Now simply press save, and from there will be a clickable link like the Instagram and the Patreon one. Now it's very easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.